Hello, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. I bought a duck recently and I have videos coming out where I've confit the legs and I'm roasting the breasts and I'm making a sauce from the bones. And just to go all the way, I thought let's use up all the leftover bits of skin trimmings to show you how to render the fat and then take it even a bit further and make some incredible duck scratchings. So if you like pork scratchings, you are going to love these. What you can see me done there is basically I've just added about 100 mils of water approximately to the trimmings of skin. Put them on a stove, bring them up to the simmer, turn them down, and after about half an hour they look like that. At that stage, because I don't want the fat to be too dark and discoloured, I'm separating them now from the fat. And as you can see, that fat has got no water left in it, it's completely evaporated, that is 100% duck fat. But the skin is chewy at this stage, and no one wants to eat chewy skin. Unless they're weird. Anyway, onto a tray. I've got the oven set to about 180. Little sprinkling of salt, any other seasoning you want. Carry on, chili powder. They took about 15 minutes. So the whole process, less than an hour. My apologies for the background noise. The TV on. Listen to the crunch. You want them, don't you? Me too. Anyway, thank you very much for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. Again, it's a very quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you really soon. Bye!